One of the biggest mistakes, guys, that I made in my affiliate marketing business is that I didn't build an email list. Yes, I wanted to build an email list, but I don't know how to build an email list. And that is why it took me so long to make my first dollar online, guys. And it's really sad, right? Because a lot of people, some people, build their email list really fast, but the reason why I keep on failing and make no money with affiliate marketing is that I don't know how to build an email list. I wanted to build my email list, but I don't know how. I keep watching on these YouTube videos, keep on falling into this hacks and strategies that doesn't work, right? I don't have a proper training, and that is why it took me so long to make money online, to make my first dollar online, right? And this is where list building and email masterclass with Kevin. This is a brand new in-depth step-by-step list building and email marketing masterclass. If you really wanted to get results fast with affiliate marketing, guys, make a passive income online, you need to start building an email list the right way. All right, the right way, not the wrong way. Don't copy my mistakes. All right. And how would you do that? All right, stop watching into this YouTube videos that telling you guys to do this and that to build your email list, guys. You need to start implementing the right method, and that's exactly what you can learn inside of list building and email marketing masterclass. This is a brand new step-by-step in-depth training with Kevin Pahes, right? So let me show you guys what you can expect inside of this training. All right, guys, so inside of the training, guys, you're gonna learn how to build an email list the right way using a different kind of free traffic strategy, right? So module number 1 is introduction. Module number 2, guys, is understanding what an opt-in page is, the end of the goal. Module number 3, guys, is the different types of opt-in pages. Module number 4 is creating your first opt-in page. Module number 5 is creating opt-in page with different angles. Module number 6 is you're gonna learn split testing. Module number 7 is creating the perfect download page. Module number 8 is crafting the first follow-up email. Module number 9 is creating the perfect follow-up email series. Module number 10 is building your list with your Facebook profile. I actually have this strategy as well. Module number 11, guys, is building your list with fan pages. Module number 12 is building your list with Facebook groups. Module number 12 is building your list with YouTube. And this is my main free traffic strategy. Module number 14, guys, is building your list with banners. Module number 15 is building your list with TikTok, Snapchat, and Instagram. So these are really fast traffic source and strategy, guys, that you can use to build your email list. And Kevin is going to show you exactly how to do that right in this module number 15. Module number 16, guys, is building your list with free WSOs. Module number 17 is building your list with giveaways or giveaway events. Module number 18, guys, is building your list with pop-ups. Module number 19 is building your list with product launchers. This is really powerful as well. I'm actually looking forward into this. Module number 20, guys, is building your list with ad swaps. This is a really powerful strategy as well. Module number 21, guys, is building your list with webinars. Now, if you're an advanced, marketer, then you may want to consider this. Module number 22, guys, is building your list with viral giveaways. This is really powerful as well. Module number 23, guys, is introduction to automation. Module number 24 is follow-up automation series. Module number 25 is tagging and segmentation your subscribers. Module number 26 is creating illegal pages for your opt-in page. Module number 27 is creating a new list in your Autoresponder. So those are all of the modules that you can learn inside of the list building and email masterclass with Kevin Pahes. This is an in-depth training fully loaded with battle tested and proven strategy, guys, for building and managing a wildly profitable email subscribers, right? So yeah, if you guys would love to pick it up through the link down in the description of this video, I'm gonna give you guys access to my custom crafted bonuses right here. I actually created my opt-in page right here. So this is my opt-in page for my main like offer. Alright, so here actually my bonus right here. Alright, so when you guys click the link for this video, it's gonna bring you guys to my bonus page right here. So this is my bonus page for list building and email masterclass. When you guys scroll down at the bottom portion of this page, you're gonna see all of my bonuses right here. Now you need to pick this up, guys, before the counter hit 0. Alright, so let me explain to you guys each of my bonuses right here. My bonus number 1, guys, I'm gonna give you guys access to an opt-in page builder plus an autoresponder. Alright, so you don't need to pay for a monthly payment for like ClickFunnels and any kind of email marketing tool like GetResponse and everywhere. This can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars, guys, and this is not one of those shiny objects and softwares, crappy products that they release in the marketplace. This is a premium products that you can use, guys, for long-term success. Alright, so that is my bonus number 1. Alright, my bonus number 2, guys, I'm gonna give you guys access to 400 plus done for you high converting emails. Right, you can use this emails, you can plug in this into your autoresponder, which I'm gonna give you guys access as my bonus number 1. Alright, plus I'm gonna give you guys access to 30 days emails that you can use, guys, to warm up those leads. My bonus number 3, guys, I'm gonna show you, this is one of my best free traffic strategy, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to use Facebook to drive free traffic and to build your list. Right, this is the exact method that I use, guys, and this is also the exact method used by big affiliates out there to build their email list, to get consistent flow of leads into their system, alright, and to your opt-in page. This is a really powerful, right? My bonus number 4, guys, I'm gonna give you guys access to 300 done for you high quality products and courses that you can give away to build your email list fast. Right, now building an email list, guys, is actually by providing value. If you cannot provide value, you cannot build your email list, right? Now, so with this 300 done for you high quality products and courses, you can give away this as a, you know, as a value or as a freebie, and then in that way you can build your email list, right? So this is a really powerful, guys. And bonus number 5, guys, I'm gonna give you guys access to another email marketing software, which is Sendio. I have an agency Sendio account. I can invite you to your very own, you can have your own Sendio account. This is a 3-in-1 email marketing software, and it's gonna save you hundreds of thousands of dollars as well. Alright, so those are all of my bonuses, and of course, guys, you also get access to all vendor bonuses, and you can learn all those bonuses inside of the sales page. When you scroll down at the bottom portion of this sales page, this is where you learn the bonuses from the vendor. Bonus 1 is I am Emails Pro. Bonus 2 is email marketing webinar replays. Bonus number 3 is email marketing checklist with PLR included. Bonus 4, email marketing power basic and pro version PLR included. Bonus number 5, interviews with 20 top marketers. And then bonus number 6 is project restart training. So those are bonuses from the vendor. Of course, guys, all of my bonus, right, though these bonuses, guys, came from my own knowledge and from my own experiences. That means you cannot get this kind of bonuses to anyone else, right? So yeah, so when you guys click any of this button right here, it's gonna bring you guys to the sales page. So this is the sales page of list building and email marketing masterclass. The headline says we use or get insider access to my internal list building strategies that we use to generate hundreds of leads per week, right? So this is the exact strategy that Kevin uses in his email marketing business, right? So yeah, if you have any more questions about this, guys, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have, and I'll see you guys in my next review video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.